And what is up everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to change your voice on Instagram. So whether you're trying to sound like a chipmunk, a robot, or you just want to keep it mysterious, it's actually pretty easy. So in this video we're going to show you exactly how. So first, what you want to do is simply download an app that can actually allow you to do so. So if you're on Android, you can try checking out the voice changer with effects, and if you're on iOS, you can try checking out Voice Changer Plus. But if you're on PC on the other hand, well, a good option is voice mode. So once you've chosen the one that you want to use, you can then open it and hit record. Then simply say whatever you want to say and pick a voice effect. So there are absolutely tons of effects, going from deep, squeaky, echoey, spooky, or whatever vibe you're feeling. And once you're happy with it, you can then save that audio file. Now, Instagram doesn't actually allow you to upload an edited voice directly as a voice message, but here's how you can still do it. So simply open up the DM where you want to send it, then instead of holding the mic button, simply tap the little paperclip or plus icon depending on your device. From there, you should be able to select the audio option, then simply choose the file you just saved and send it like a normal message. And there you go. It's that easy. So that's how to change your voice on Instagram. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.